Hello mga madang person, today magdulat ang Granny chapter 2. So today difficulty easy. Okay, so easy, quality high, green in both green and green. So let's go. Yes, let's get this party started. Let's go. Please like and subscribe na. Dili lagi mo like and subscribe na. I'll hunt you forever. Okay, so B1. Nangan mo start tag dito. Okay, so Randy! Asa naman ka? Okay, so first let's look here. Na door lock, okay? That's a door lock. Sama na ako na kanon. So, okay, so our objective is the helicopter na. Anang helicopter na upaw. Dili ka tong si for the upaw ha. Ganahan ako to siya. I've been watching his channels. Mama na! Ay, 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 mama! Saan naman ko eh? Okay, so na si Granny dira. Okay, so perfect timing kayo Granny no. Bisa si Grandpa man ko sa ko. Ikaw na sana. Kapay na ko sa tanawan. Ay! Salang. Objectives na to guys kay helicopter. Kay mama mana. Kay mama mana. Unsa mana. Kay mama. Hala. Murag siya mo apelot sa beauty pageant buang. Nandito siya dero. Hala. Ay. Sorry guys, ning ingon ko an bad word dito. Like B-U-A-N-G. Sorry. Okay, so day 2 na or day 3 basta. Okay, so okay, no sign of low na. Butin sa man ako na eh. Itong objective man kay helicopter. Saran na to ni. What do you have for me? Ala ng wrench. This may be in handy. Okay, so let's go there. Let's go to the beach. Ala na feels oh. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the way. Let's go to the okay, so tuyok na to ne. And oh, zebra. May padahilin mo dungog na to si Granny. Okay, no sign of Granny. Ara oh. Halang highlights. Wow. Okay, so kuha na to. Hala, wala granada. Wala, ano yan ng Granny? Hala, wala dyan granada ay. Samani. Ano, knife. Samani, mikas. Knife. What is here? Wala. What is love? Baby, you hurt me. No. Ooh, wow. Sigo kontanta ay. Like, what is happening to me? Check here. Anong amigas? Sorry guys, may amigas. Okay, so ipit sana to si Granny. 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 Ara. Boogs. Katuhan na to. Boogs. Katulo. Boogs. Hello. kadugay nila. Uy, dugay kayo sila. There's a dugay. There is a dugay. Dugay. There is a dugay. Dugay. Kadugay bar. Dugay kayo. Ara. OMG. Naipit. Midat security bay. Okay, so Granny spotted. Sorry, Granny, giipit na ko imong husband. Sorry, good Granny, ha. Ara, na-open. Wala ka nakita sa inyo, Granny. So, guys, I will end the video because tulugon kayo ko, guys. I'm so tulugon, guys. So, yan na akong video. So, yeah, guys. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Okay, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification. Ah!